I just got my buddy's rod unsnagged. And I got a fish on it. How many? Oh yeah, another one. Woo! Got one. It's like, I can barely see it. There we go, fish. Oh yeah. Dude, cow, they're over here. Like, dude, they're everywhere. They're chasing mine. There we go. Oh yeah. Got an absolute fatty. Whoop. Man. Oh yeah, that's a fat one. Look at that white bass. All right, y'all. We're packing up. We're gonna do a little bit of fishing, a little bit of exploring today. Going to a brand new spot. As you can see, we got the yaks in the back. Loading up the truck right now. There's Kyle. Evan's got his fishing pole. I didn't know you were fishing. Yeah, all right. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We got the Jeep over here loaded up, 6 set up. All right, y'all. We're headed out. I'll see y'all at the spot. All right, guys, we made it to the spot. Unloading everything. I'm gonna tie on a different lure. Oh my! We're gonna see what we can do. Here we go. Yeah. We made it. Get these paddles hooked up. Come on. Oh. Okay. We are in the water, fellas. Doesn't smell like the nicest creek, but we will give it a shot. You know, the fish are going to be down there. I'm going to get out. All right, so there's a guy that told us there's some white bass in here. So we're going to see if we can't get one. Well, I hooked into something pretty big off camera and he got off, but super scenic spot. What? What? That's like, use that. That's a good lure. All right, we're gonna move down a little bit. See if we can't find a different spot, different spot with fish in it. First catch. I got a, oh, literally caught this rock with a hole in it. I can see Kyle through the hole.
Man, what kind of bait is that? Did you get that on the vlog?
Got that on the vlog. Fellas, we are chilling right now.
We are.
Cruising down this creek. Have not caught one. Well, actually, no. Kyle has caught one fish. Found this big sandbank. Just spooked a fish up here. We're gonna see if we can't catch one. Oh yeah, there's some fish up here. Oh yeah, fish on. Fish on, baby. It's something big. Yeah, it's a big one. It feels pretty big. Oh yeah, baby, white bass. There we go.
That's a good one.
And I saw a bunch of them jumping up there.
There's a boat up there.
Is there a boat? Ow, where?
There's a dude over there.
Okay. Dude to my right. Well, there we go, guys. Little white bass.
He's in the yak too.
How many? Oh, yeah. Another one. I think we found the white bass, guys.
Is that the same one?
Nope. There we go. Oh, man. They're hitting it. They're chasing it. Dude, Evan, there's a ton of them in here. I can see them like chasing the lure. This is definitely a good vlog. Oh, you crossed my line.
Oh, no.
Oh, there we go. Big. Okay, yeah, got one.
Wow.
Oh, this is awesome. Another white bass. Sweet. Yo, Kyle, stay out of, get your rooster tail. Get your rooster tail over here. There we go. Got one, feels good. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Big one.
That's a good white bass. Dude, yeah, that's like a personal best. Oh yeah, personal best white bass for sure. I am so happy right now, dude. You don't even understand. Oh yeah. Dude, Kyle, come down here. It's like every cast. Heck yeah. Dude, that's another good one. Holy cow. All right, guys. Whee! There we go. Little one. You got a fish? Heck yeah, Kyle's on a fish.
Oh no. No. Okay, okay.
Sweet. There you go. Yeah. First white bass. Is that your first white bass, Kyle? There we go. By the mouth. I got some kind of fish. Another white bass. Yo. White bass, baby. That's Kyle's first.
Maybe.
Oh yeah. That's a good one. Whee! Yeah, this is a pretty good one. Holy cow, this might be personal best. All right, y'all. Catching loads of these white bass. Super fun. This is crazy. I didn't expect this much fish. Whee! I just got my buddy's rod unsnagged. And I got a fish on it. Yeah, feels good too. Oh yeah. They're freaking everywhere in here. This is a good one too. There we go, that's a fatty. Look at that guy. Look how fat he is. Sweet. Dude, this is fun. Let's see if I can get another one.
He's stealing my stuff now.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
James, give it back.
Dude, just come over. They're freaking everywhere in here. Woo. Heck yeah. Perfect. See, I mean, dude, you'll get one. Like, for sure. But you gotta reel it in, like, somewhat fast. Yeah, there you go.
I like fishing when it's like this.
Yeah, dude, like, every cast, literally. It's freaking crazy.
What is that? That's not a... Wait, is it like that?
White bass. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get one on Evan's rod since I unsnagged it. You ready, Evan? Let's see if I can do it. See if it happens. Snagged.
Nah.
Oh no. Evan, I snagged your rod.
Bring it over here. I'll walk it to this side.
Here. I'm coming to you. Did you get snagged again? Oh my goodness. Hey, got Kyle's. All right, I want to get a fish. I'm gonna catch a fish real quick, and I'll give it back to Kyle. Woo! Got one.
How did you get a snag? 360 degrees.
That might be a hybrid bass. All right, Kyle, don't get snagged anymore, please. Kyle has caught a bass. That's might be a spotted bass. Probably a largemouth. All right, dude, so what? See, a white bass. Lines are all straight. Oh yeah. Dude, Kyle, they're over here. Oh, there he got off. Oh yeah. Yanking them out, dude. Like, dude, they're everywhere. They're chasing mine. There we go. It's a good one. Ooh, that was sick. What do you got? Got one. Little one. Holy cow. Man, it's like every single cast. Oh yeah, that's a good one. There we go. Oh, Evan just got a big one.
Hold on.
Okay, that's a fatty.
Come on, Tubster.
All right,
Oh boy.
hold him up, Evan.
Oh, come here. Hey, hey.
This
Ow,
fishy is
stop it.
going crazy.
There we go.
Let's see him. Yeah, look at
Man, you got that deep in your mouth.
crazy. This
Oh,
fish
boy.
is pretty fat. He ate that thing too. Probably a big female.
Big woman.
This is crazy. I've never hit the white bass spawn this hard before. I mean, I've caught a few white bass in the past, but this is the first time I've really hit the spawn. It's almost every cast. It's like every 2 or 3 casts we get one. So super hyped up. There we go. All right. Oh yeah. Feels like a good one. All right, there we go. Heck yeah. Yeah, she's definitely full of eggs. Sweet. There we go. Hooked up. Holy moly. Nice cat, or nice skip. We're now headed back on the yak. Gotta catch up with my buddies. Oh yeah. You know me, guys. Had to get one more. This is a pretty good one too. Heck yeah. In the yak. Let's go. You know, I came out here, never been here before. Was hoping to catch some largemouth, but instead we caught a ton of white bass. And it was a super fun day.
You say white ass?
White bass
Oh.
with a B.
Oh.
Bass with a B.
Ah.
Super fun day, guys. If you guys enjoy the content, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you want to see more. I really appreciate it. So I'll see y'all in the next one.
Child seatbelt problem.
Have a nice day.
Oh, that was easy to take out. Nice.
Look at that fish.
That was almost a fish.
Talking to him.
Yeah, you gotta let them know you see them.
Dude, that was... Oh yeah, this feels like a decent one. Oh yeah. Oh no!